Avocados are often called a superfood, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that can boost your heart health, help you manage your weight, and fuel your body with healthy energy. Let's dive into the science behind why avocados should be part of your daily diet. First, let's talk about heart health. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy heart. Research shows that eating avocados regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease and promote better cardiovascular health. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. In fact, they contain even more potassium than bananas. By including avocados in your diet, you can naturally keep your blood pressure in check and protect your heart over time. Now, how do avocados help with weight loss? While they're calorie-dense, avocados are incredibly filling. Thanks to their high fiber and healthy fat content, they keep you full longer, reduce cravings, and prevent overeating. This makes them the perfect addition to a weight loss-friendly meal plan. Studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly tend to have lower body weight and a healthier BMI compared to those who don't. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're also a smart way to fuel your body without sabotaging your goals. Another bonus, avocados are nutrient powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, vitamin C, and magnesium, which support your immune system, skin health, and overall wellness. So how can you enjoy avocados? Add slices to your morning toast, blend them into smoothies, toss them in salads, or make a classic guacamole. The possibilities are endless. To sum up, avocados are more than just a tasty fruit. They're a heart-healthy, weight loss-friendly food packed with essential nutrients. If you want to improve your health, boost your energy, and feel great, it's time to add avocados to your meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Burn and Balance, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with someone who needs to know the benefits of avocados, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat them? Stay balanced, stay healthy,